Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel.
but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
Okay friends, so now I wanted to take some time just to show you some of my favorites and also leave me your favorites below. Starting off this blue room. Now, when a lot of people say neutral, they don't think of saturated color like this blue, but this is quite the neutral room. And of course it's very calming and beautiful, and I just think it's an all-around great bedroom. We also have this kitchen, not a lot going on, but in my opinion it's really beautiful, especially with that wood and those beautiful ceiling beams. Last but not least, one more beautiful bedroom. I can absolutely see this bedroom in like California somewhere. You open the windows, the sunlight pours in. I love this room. My only hesitation would be if you are not an early riser. This room is so light and airy that I feel like your room would just fill with sunlight and you would have to be up by 8, probably 8 o'clock, maybe 9, but probably 8 or 7.